Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech. Today, we're diving into one of the most innovative XR devices on the market, the VITURE One Lite XR glasses. These aren't just any smart glasses, they're built for immersive gaming, high-quality visuals, and even Apple's spatial video support. If you want to know more detail of this product, you may check the link in the description box below. Let's break it all down. VITURE One Lite boasts a sleek, lightweight design, making them perfect for extended use. The build quality feels premium, ensuring both durability and comfort. Plus, they feature myopia adjustments up to -5.0D, so even nearsighted users can enjoy crystal-clear visuals. One of the standout features is its unmatched compatibility. Whether you're using an iPhone 16 or 15, MacBook, Steam Deck, ROG Ally, iPad, or Android device, these glasses seamlessly connect via USB-C with video and power output. This means no extra setup, just plug and play. These glasses deliver a 55 ppd virtual screen with 1080p resolution at 60 fps, offering an exceptional visual experience. Whether gaming or watching movies, the display quality is immersive and sharp. Sound-wise, VITURE partnered with Harman, the creator of AudioFX, to integrate a reverse sound field that reduces noise leakage by 30 decibels at 20 centimeters. This means you get an immersive audio experience without disturbing those around you. For gamers, these glasses are a game changer. VITURE One Lite has an exclusive partnership with PS Play and XBX Play, enabling seamless remote play for PlayStation and Xbox. Plus, they support all major gaming consoles, allowing you to game anywhere, anytime. If you're an iPhone 16 or 15 Pro user, you can now record and relive three-dimensional videos with VITURE's Spacewalker app without any conversion. It's a revolutionary way to experience your memories in an immersive XR format. Unlike other XR glasses, VITURE One Lite is the first and only pair that enables full XR capabilities for iPhones using exclusive adapters and apps. Features include one-click, three-dimensional multi-screen workflow, enhanced 3 degrees of freedom, and virtual reality video playback. Co-op and screen sharing. Sharing your XR experience is easier than ever. With the VITURE One mobile dock, you can connect 2 pairs of glasses to the same device, making it perfect for co-op gaming on the Switch or watching movies together. Final verdict: the VITURE One Lite XR glasses redefine XR technology. With incredible display quality, premium audio, wide compatibility, and industry-first features, they're a must-have for gamers, content creators, and tech lovers. Whether you're into gaming, movie watching, or experiencing Apple's spatial video, this is the best XR experience you can get today. What do you think of the VITURE One Lite XR glasses? Would you get a pair? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cutting-edge tech reviews from Alltech. See you in the next one.